we started building that software, in that early 2015. And by the time we had a working first MVP of AttackForge, this was around end of 2016. So it took a few years to just get our workflows in code into something that we could share with customers. We're fortunate that one of the fintech companies we worked with here in Australia, they were running a very aggressive pen testing program, lots of work in a very short amount of time that needed to be done. And visibility was a massive challenge for them. So having visibility as a security testing manager at the time over all the things that need to be tested, but also board reporting and understanding the status. So this particular organization had worked with a lot of external third parties, so engineers that were outside of their control, internal teams, they were doing mergers and acquisitions. So it was immediately for us, it was a sink or swim type scenario where we propositioned them to say, would you like to try AttackForge to see if you could help to solve some of those challenges. So they were very open to it, receptive. We got it deployed, and immediately within the first few pen tests, it started to get really positive feedback, positive traction. Within the first month, we had the CISO who wanted access, and we were building, rushing out features to address all these different stakeholders that we hadn't really built in at the time. So that was always, it was very exciting, very nerve-wracking, because immediately what was a sort of a pilot at the time started to get really deeply embedded into what was happening within that organization from a security testing standpoint.